Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to make hard reset on your headphones REALME Buds T310. You have to start by remove your headphones from the charging case, and now press and hold both of the headphones. The touch area is located right here, and press and hold it for at least 10 seconds. So here we go. Now put your headphones to the charging case and close the case. Click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget the device. Forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device. And after that, open the charging case. It should enter to pairing mode automatically, so now we should see it as device list, so click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!